Hello guys and girls, and welcome to another video from Mida Travel. Now today we have a treat for you as we uncover one of the greatest hidden gems of the Cardiff hotel scene. So, as Cardiff is my hometown and I'm there a lot, I tend to spend a small fortune on hotels until I found this great hotel. This is the Premier Inn Cardiff Bay, and it's situated directly at the rear of the world famous Millennium Centre Theatre. Now, a lot of you may be seeing this video and thinking, is it good value for money being a very attraction-based hotel? But let me tell you that it definitely is. So stick around to see me reveal how much I paid for this room on a Friday night in the capital city of Wales. Premier Inn offers two types of room, one of which is a Premier Plus version with an espresso machine, faster Wi-Fi and a rainfall shower. But myself, I prefer the standard as it comes with a bathtub. But all standard rooms feature a king-size bed equipped with a chaise lounge. All the bedding is white and crisp, and the Premier Inn are so confident in their product they even sell the mattresses online. All standard rooms come with a large bathroom equipped with an amazing bathtub and powerful main shower. The toiletries on offer smell absolutely lush. The Wi-Fi is strong enough, and the TV is large and seems to have a lot of great channels to view. So guys, staying in this Premier Inn in Cardiff Bay was actually not a bad experience. On check-in, we were here early. We were here about 1:30. Check-in time was at 3 o'clock. We came to see if the room was ready, but unfortunately they said that if they let us in early, they'd have to charge us £10 each to come into the room early, which I thought was a bit naughty considering the room was ready. But hey ho, you know, we went into town. Getting into the room though, it's not a bad room for the price we paid, which was only £57 on a Friday. I thought it was quite actually good value for money. The room's clean, to be honest. The bed's nice and big. I had some trouble sleeping, and that's purely based on the fact that I'm a really bad sleeper. I was obviously on my own. It wasn't a double occupancy room. It's a single occupancy room for myself, but with a double bed, so I used both the pillows. And you know, I slept a bit. It wasn't great sleep, but I think that's down more to me. There is spare pillows in the room though, if you needed more. If there was two of you sharing a room and you needed more pillows, they are available. And they do give you two towels even though you're only staying as a single. The one thing I do have to note though is that on the tea and coffee tray, there's only enough for one coffee and enough for one tea. However, the girls at the front counter showed me when I checked in a complimentary tea and coffee stand where you can take as much as you want for your room. So I've actually stocked up with about 3 or 4 teas and a couple more coffees, which I thought I'd need, but I didn't actually use all of them. So to be fair, the room is great. Toiletry wise, they got some lovely Baylis and Harding. I think it's Baylis and Harding. I think it's orange and neroli. Very nice shower gels and soaps in there. I had a lovely bath. The water pressure was amazing. It was hot instantly, and the bath filled up very quickly. So I had a nice bath in here. They've provided me, I asked them at the front counter to provide me with an iron and an ironing board, and they gave me those straight away. Do you know what? I cannot complain. This hotel at Cardiff Bay Premier Inn, every time I stay here, it always scores very highly with me. It's very reasonably priced. You're slap bang in the middle of Cardiff Bay, so you've got all the amenities around you. It's only a mile walk into the city centre as well. It's a great location, very quiet on the roads. The theatre is literally opposite, so if you come to watch a show, you can go literally just, a 2-minute walk and you're in the entrance to the theatre. So yeah, all in all, fantastic hotel. So if you are interested in hotels in Cardiff, the Premier Inn in Cardiff Bay is definitely one you should consider. I feel their breakfast needs a mention as it was amazing. It's great value for money. It's an all-you-can-eat included drinks for just $9.99. So, I bet you all want to know how much 24 hours parking is if you are staying at this hotel. Well, fear not everybody, as it won't break the bank. Premier Inn have teamed up with Q Park that own the car park directly next door and have managed to strike a deal to get parking for residents for just £11.20 for just 24 hours. In a capital city, that is fantastic value, and the peace of mind that your car is protected around the clock. So we thank you for watching our video today, and please be mindful that prices tend to fluctuate depending on specific events in the city. However, This said, this hotel has still proven to be one of the cheapest I've found. If you like our content, guys, then please remember to leave a comment and also hit like and subscribe buttons to be notified for future content.